everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very fun unboxing video. I have the iPad 12.9 inch iPad Pro 2018. That's a big mouthful. iPad, and I've got this keyboard on it right now, and it kind of broke, so I ordered what just came out from Apple, and that is the Magic keyboard. So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna give you the first impressions of it. Here's the box that it comes in. I ordered it from Best Buy because it was the one that was gonna be here the quickest. If I ordered it through Amazon Prime, it would not be here. I would have had to pre-order it. So I just went through Best Buy. So all it really came with was some of this bubble wrap and then the keyboard inside. And on the back of it, it shows the floating keyboard and what it's supposed to look like. The reason I chose this keyboard over another one off of Amazon was because it has the trackpad with it. And you've got a port, which I'll show you guys a little bit later. So this is a kind of expensive purchase. Okay, this is a really expensive purchase, but I feel like it'll pay for itself whenever I go to take it to class, anything like that. I've got my order information right here in front of me, so I'm gonna tell you, Mama, close your ears. With taxes and everything, for the 12.9, it was $381.28 for the 12.9. So it's very expensive, but it comes with a warranty, and that's all the justification I can give it. And it's Apple, so anything Apple that I've had in the past has been really good. I have a MacBook, an iPad. The iPad I had before this one, I had since it first came out, which was the second generation iPad. So it's gonna last. So I'm super excited, kind of nervous to open this, but let's get right into it. Alright, here's the little tabby. Can you see the tab? Here's the little tab. We're just gonna, there's no going back now. Like I was trying to say before, all of my Apple products have lasted a really long time as of right now. The only Apple product that I had that I absolutely hated was my iPhone 5C, but that was because of storage. It only had 8 gigabytes of storage, so that was a bummer. I'm going to try to open it facing you all. Everything Apple is normally packaged really nice, so it just looks like a standard case. Now, something cool about these cases is it's made for the newer iPads and also the 2018 generation. You can tell because of the cutout. I was going to take the old iPad out of the case, but it's got the cutout for the new 2020 iPads, so that's really neat. We're just going to take the plastic off of this. I'm going to redo some of this. Okay, so the back part is made for the 2020 iPads, the Pro, and the 12, I think it's the 12.9 and the 11 inch screen. I have the 12.9, but it'll still fit. That's the cool thing about it, because the back of the iPads have magnets. So I will kind of show you my iPad. I don't have a back screen protector on it, and it's kind of dirty. But you can see here, there are 3 magnets at the bottom right here. And that's what connects your case down here. It's kind of hard to explain, so we're just going to go ahead and put the case in here, and then we're going to test it out. I'm nervous. This kind of converts your your iPad into a little MacBook almost. It's super neat. So when you open it up, you just get this. Do you mind to check to see if there's anything in that? and it opens certain ways. Now, it's kind of weird because you're not going to be able to fold your case all the way flat like we're used to doing. This pretty much converts your iPad into a laptop in the floating position. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is try to clip my iPad on here. It should just lay flush on here, and there are some magnets that sit up here, and there are some magnets that sit over here, and it should be enough protection. Now, I did, where my iPad is going to be easily clipped in and out of this case, I did order on Amazon, which I'll link down below if you guys have the same iPad, where to order the back screen protectors at. I think it's going to be very important for the iPad is to have a back screen protector so you don't scratch it all up. I do already have a front screen protector on it, so I'm not really worried about that. So let's go ahead and clip the iPad in here. So you're just going to line up the, you're going to line up on the back the magnets, and then also on here, and it'll just fit right into place. Should just snap right in. And then boom. And it's got, I think the way that they did this is awesome because your iPad, this is your computer. So most of your weight's going to be up here. So they distributed it very evenly, in my opinion, by making the weight at the bottom a little bit heavier. So I think that's great. Okay, here's the floating feature that is shown on the website, which I think is so neat. Your iPad hovers the keyboard, which I think is just awesome. So now we're just going to go in and see if I can type with it and if the trackpad works, and it even clicks. So it's got some weight, very nice and thick and heavy, and you've got your USB-C port right here, which I think is really cool that it comes with the case as well. And if you've got the little bit older generation, it still fits, but you've just got a little bit of blank space where you don't have that extra camera, which is fine. So the sides and everything, you can just put your little Apple Pencil to the side here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around to my actual iPad. We're going to go in our settings and see if we can't set up the keyboard. Okay, so after probably about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, is that right?
Probably about 30 minutes, actually.
I was trying to connect it with Bluetooth, and this is not a Bluetooth keyboard. It is just, I guess whenever you connect it to the magnets, it's like all smart and stuff, and it just does it all by itself. What'd you say?
Magic.
It is magic. Yes, it's magic. So I just had to download to the latest iOS, which I didn't do because it wasn't working. And I was like, why is this not working? And that's why, because I wasn't downloaded to the latest iOS. Thank you, Charlie. And so now we're going to make sure that this thing works like it should. And yeah. Alright, so I'm in Google. You can see the little cursor is a little circle. Can they see that?
Yeah, but it's blurry.
We don't want it blurry. But I'm just going to go in here and you can see what I've searched. Kind of weird. But we'll go to Amazon. I'm a big Amazon shopper. So I've been a customer since 2015. And let's just type in we'll just type in Nightmare Before Christmas, and then we'll just scroll. What? So it works. The keyboard works. There are shortcuts you can do, but I'm not 100% sure with those yet. Look how cute. Anyway, so yeah, that's the keyboard. It works. I was very frustrated at first. I didn't think it was gonna work, but it does. So that is my keyboard, my Magic keyboard. If you guys want an update video on this, how I'm liking it in, let's say, like 6 months, let me know. I'm also going to do a follow-up on my Apple Watch. If you did like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, stay cool and be you. Bye!